Assalamu alaikum dear students, class 7th, me your teacher, Mushtaq Ahmed, subject teacher computer, Beria Foundation College, Noshar Afroz. Dear students, today we are going to start chapter number 2. So dear students, today's chapter is based on binary numbers. So dear students, in this chapter, we are going to introduce binary computing. So dear students, binary means by means two, nari means numbers. So dear students, in this chapter our contact will be based on two numbers that are zeros and ones. So dear students, in today's lecture we are going to study about the binary computing. So dear students, binary computing is the language that is very easy for computer to understand the instructions being given to it by its user. So dear students, computer is an electronic and digital machine that can understand digital language, especially in the form of binary. So dear students, binary language is the computer language that is very easy for computer to be understood. So dear students, in today's lecture our topic of discussion is computer is a digital machine. So dear students, no doubt that computer is a digital machine. Computer is a digital machine because computers are electronic machines. Computers understand data in form of digital. So digital data is the discrete data and digital data that a computer can understand is in binary form. So dear students, computers can understand digital language but human being cannot understand binary language. So dear students, if we want a computer to add numbers 10 and 2, we might type please add 2, 10 and 2 using keyboard, but a computer cannot process such a request. It must convert request into a form that the CPU can process. So dear students, कंप्यूटर डिजिटल लैंग्वेज अंडरस्टैंड कर सकता है, लेकिन डिजिटल लैंग्वेज भी कौन सी, बाइनरी, यानी जो भी कंप्यूटर को हम लेटर्स दे देते हैं या डेसिमल नंबर्स दे देते हैं तो कंप्यूटर के पास सीपीयू में एक कन्वर्टिंग सिस्टम मौजूद होता है, उसकी बाइनरी निकालता है. बाइनरी यानी हर एक लेटर की डेसिमल इक्विवेलेंट इंटीग्रेटेड होती है कंप्यूटर सिस्टम में. जैसे ही हम कंप्यूटर को कोई भी इंस्ट्रक्शन देते हैं तो हर एक लेटर की बाइनरी निकलती है. उसके बाद कंप्यूटर हमारी इंस्ट्रक्शंस को समझ सकता है. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, in this chapter there are some number systems that we will discuss in coming up lectures. So dear students, today's our topic based on a computer is a digital machine. Computer is a digital machine. It means a computer can understand instructions into digital form, especially binary numbers using zeros and ones. So dear students, today's topic of discussion based on the binary computing and computer as a digital machine is winded up here, and we will discuss remaining topics in coming up lectures. So dear students, your homework based on today's topic is to define some forms of data. So dear students, you will have to write down some forms of data on the page and send me on our WhatsApp group. So dear students, till the coming up lecture, Allah Hafiz, Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, class 7th.